What an exciting day. It's always so fun to be around other women. One of the biggest things is just the empowerment that we can have together. You know, so often, it's me versus everybody else, but being surrounded by 100+ women today, knowing there was the last keynote speaker that her success is my success, and so knowing how we can lift each other up and truly the impact that we have, as one group of strong women.
There were so many lessons today. Lessons about vulnerability and confidence and opening up opportunities for yourself.
Our first keynote speaker, she was extremely empowering. She has been through the ringers. I applaud her for having the courage to be able to build herself back up.
The breakout session that we talked about creating your voice and how to really think about those questions of why and how sometimes you are your own most biggest self-critic.
What I learned, you can't do it all yourself. You have to ask for help, and asking for help is definitely not a weakness.
So I think that events like Elevate are important because it makes you take a step back and kind of look at things from a broader lens. You change your lens, you change your life.